Welcome guys, so today I am with JBL Flip Essential and I'm gonna show you how loud is this speaker. So if you wonder, take a look on the right side. I have the decibel meter, and of course I'm gonna set it up right now on the highest volume level mode. Okay, right now it detects only the highest volume, and of course I'm gonna volume up at the maximum level my smartphone, and the same with this JBL Flip speaker. As you can see, it's set up on the highest volume level. So I think that right now we can start the test. I will play this song for the 3 minutes and you will be able to check the highest volume level. As you can see, currently we reach the 76 when I'm talking to you, but I guess with this kind of speaker it will be above 115, I guess. So let's try and let's check how loud this speaker can play music. Okay, and that's all for this video. As you can see, our speaker reached 106.9 decibels. I'm actually surprised because sometimes when you test the phones, they reach over this 110. But yeah, that's the volume level of JBL Flip Essential. And one more time, there is 100, almost 107 decibels. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.